Okay, this is our short lesson about Turkish letters. Turkish alphabet normally contains 29 letters, and these are the letters actually. Is A, B, C, Ç, D, E, F, G, yumuşak G, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Ö, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, Ü, V, Y, Z. As you may have seen, this is normally asked too much from me. There are no W, T, H, or X sounds in normal Turkish alphabet. So, let's go on with the lesson. Our first letter is A, like in mama. And it's A normally, pardon, it's not A, it's A. A is normally in English, it's A. It's like alpha, and it's like mama, A. And then we go on with B, but B, we don't say B, it's B. It's like in bird. And then we go on with J, like in Jane, it's J. Ç, like in chair. D, it's not D, it's D. If you want to sound like Turkish, it's D. It's like in dead. And E is, it's not E, it's E, as you may have seen. It's like in bed, A in there. And then we go on with F. F is not F, of course, it's F. It's like in father. And then we go on with G. It's not G, it's G, like in girl. It's not G, okay? And then we go into softer G's, yumuşak G. It's so hard to define this letter. It's R, but it comes from throat, and it's normally not a sound in English or other language I've seen. It's normal in normal Turkish language. It's R, but it's so hard to say. You may not. It's not normally sometimes pronounced in Turkish, and nobody will understand it. And it's then we go on with H. It's not H. It's H, like in hair. And then we go with U. And I have noticed U in normal English, but it's, I don't know how to define it. It's U. It's like definition is like U in that the end of the word. So it's U. I don't know. Maybe you may have some ideas and write them to me. And then we go with E, like in C. Then we go on with J. I don't know any idea of this letter also. If you have something to say, you can. It's J. I don't know how it sounds, but then we go with K, like in cake, in cola. K is easy language for English speakers. And then with L is le, of course, in lake, cola, or something like that. It's le. And then we move on to M. M like in mama. And normally we don't say M. It's me. And then we go on with N. It's like in no, easy letter for English speakers. Ne. O is easy, of course. And we go Ö. Ö is like in bird, in Turk. And björk, like how I wrote it in Turkish, bird in Turkish like this. So it's like in Northern European languages. I have heard it, but I don't know how to define it in English. So it's like in bird, okay, Then we go with P, like in papa, R, like in rain, and S or S normally in Turkish, small, and Shakira, like she, and T. Yeah, we don't have TH sounds in Turkish. No TH sounds in Turkish normally. like in Turk, T. And then we go with U, like look. And we go on with U. I don't know how to define this actually. It's U, but if you have some letters on this, if you have some ideas on these letters, you can write them to me, and then I can change this alphabet. But right now I cannot remember of anything like that. I'm not a normally Turkish teacher, so it's U. And V, it's not V normally in Turkish. V, like in very. There are no W sounds in Turkish. And like in yeah or Y. Y is normally yeah. There are no X's in Turkish also, and like in Zoom, Z. This is our last letter. So I hope I helped you, and if you have any other suggestions about this video, you can just write down to me.